Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some country cottage inspired home decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Country cottage decorating is about creating a home that feels comfortable, charming, timeless, and connected to nature. A style that welcomes family and guests with warmth rather than perfection. Here are some practical country cottage inspired home decorating tips to help you create a cozy, timeless home. Add character with vintage hardware. Replace plain cabinet knobs and drawer pulls with antique brass, ceramic, or aged bronze hardware. It's a small update that makes a big difference. Style your dining table every day. Even when you are not entertaining, decorate the table with a linen table runner, a ceramic pitcher filled with flowers, wooden candle holders, a oven tray. This keeps the room looking warm and welcoming. Use wicker throughout the home. Wicker baskets, trays, laundry hampers, and plant baskets add texture and practical storage while enhancing the cottage atmosphere. Incorporate soft green accents. Use just green through cushions, straws, pottery, or plants. It pairs beautifully with cream, white, and natural wood. Add cozy window seats. If you have a window nook, style it with soft cushions, a floral throw blanket, a small basket of books, a potted plant. It becomes a peaceful place to relax. Decorate with natural scents. Keep bowls of dried lavender, eucalyptus, or homemade potpourri around your home. Gentle natural fragrances make a cottage feel fresh and inviting. Celebrate the seasons. Refresh your decor throughout the year. Spring, tulips, pastel linens, and oven baskets. Summer, wildflowers, striped fabrics, and light cotton throws. Autumn, pumpkins, dried wood, warm plaid blankets, and wooden accents. Winter, evergreen branches, pine cones, candles, and cozy knit blankets. Seasonal decorating keeps your home feeling lively while staying true to the country cottage style. Country cottage decorating isn't about making every room perfect. It's about creating a home filled with comfort, nature, warmth, and personal charm. Every vintage piece, handmade item, and fresh flower helps tell the story of your home. Create a cozy coffee or tea corner. Set up a small coffee or tea station with vintage mugs, a wooden tray, glass jars for tea and sugar, a small vase of fresh flowers. It becomes both practical and decorative. Use soft floral wallpaper. Instead of wallpapering an entire room, create a feature wall with delicate floral or botanical wallpaper to add classic country charm. Keep furniture comfortable. Choose furniture with soft cushions, rounded edges, and slipcovers. Comfort is more important than formal elegance in a country cottage home. Add decorative trays. Use wooden or wicker trays to organize candles, plants, books, or kitchen essentials. Trays makes everyday items look neat and stylish. Bring the garden inside. Cut flowers, leafy branches, or herbs from your garden and display them in simple pitchers or glass jars. This creates a fresh, natural look. Mix white with warm wood. White furniture or cabinetry paired with natural wood countertops, shelves, or tables creates the perfect balance between brightness and warmth. Decorate bathroom shelves. Style open shelves with rolled white towels, wicker baskets, glass jars, small plants, vintage soap dishes. Even small bathrooms can have a cozy cottage feel. Let natural light shine. Keep windows as open as possible during the day. Use light, airy curtains that allow sunlight to brighten the room and highlight natural materials. Don't rush to decorate everything at once. The most beautiful country cottage homes are built slowly over time, with meaningful furniture, vintage treasures, handmade pieces, and items that tell your personal story. A true country cottage home should feel peaceful, welcoming, cozy, and timeless. A place where every room invites you to relax and enjoy simple living. Decorate with fresh herbs. Grow herbs like rosemary, thyme, basil, or mint in small terracotta pots on your kitchen windowsill. They add greenery, fragrance, and are useful for cooking. Add wooden hooks. Install wooden or cast iron hooks in the entryway, kitchen, or bathroom to hang baskets, hats, aprons, towels, or oven baskets. Use soft linen everywhere. Linen is a signature fabric of country cottage style. Try using it for curtains, tablecloths, cushion covers, napkins, bed linens. Its natural texture makes every room feel relaxed. Decorate with candles. Place candles on mantles, dining tables, shelves, or bedside tables. Use ceramic or brass candle holders to create a warm evening atmosphere. Keep plants in natural pots. Choose terracotta, ceramic, or open basket planters instead of plastic ones. They blend beautifully with a cottage-inspired home. Include handmade decorations. Handmade pieces such as crocheted blankets, embroidered cushions, oven baskets, or hand-drawn pottery make your home feel unique and personal. Create peaceful spaces. Leave a few areas uncluttered. A simple chair by a sunny window with a small table and fresh flowers can become one of the most relaxing spots in your home. A beautiful country cottage home doesn't rely on expensive furniture. It combines natural materials, soft colors, vintage treasures, fresh flowers, cozy fabrics, and meaningful decor to create a home that feels warm, welcoming, and full of character. Layered rugs. Place a smaller patterned rug over a larger natural jute or crystal rug. This adds warmth, texture, and a relaxed cottage feel. Fill empty corners. Don't leave corners empty. Style them with a wicker basket, a tall floor lamp, a wooden stool, a leafy plant, a vintage watering can. Add a cozy fireplace display. If you have a fireplace, decorate it with stacked logs, lanterns, candles, and oven baskets. Even if the fireplace isn't in use, mix floral and plain fabrics. Balance floral patterns with solid colored cushions, throws, and curtains to keep the room looking calm rather than busy. Decorate with antique containers. Use vintage milk cans, enamel buckets, ceramic rocks, or old wooden crates as decorative storage or plant holders. Bonus styling tip. Every room should include these 5 country cottage elements. Number 1. Something natural, like plants or flowers. Number 2. Something wooden. Number 3. Something oven. Number 4. Something soft, like linen, cotton, or wool. And number 5. Something vintage. When you combine these 5 elements, your home will instantly feel more authentic, cozy, and beautifully timeless. Thanks for watching the video.